All right, so welcome guys. This is Wills FX here, and I'll be your host for this morning. And today we'll be talking about Binance and what Binance is, what we'll be looking for in Binance, how to get money on Binance, how to trade potential, ways you could earn money on Binance. Now, before we'll be jumping right into the video, I'll quickly say this. Um, I'm not your financial advisor, neither am I telling you to put your money on crypto space or trying to invest, but whatever you do on Binance or whatever information that is coming off of here of all this video, it is for educational purpose. Now, whatever you try to do with this information is not of my concern. Now, knowing that, good, let's jump into the video and start up. So what is Binance? Now for noobs, I'll quickly jump to the textbook definition, and I'm gonna jump into Google, and I'm gonna say, what is Binance? All right, what is Binance? All right, now quickly, this is the logo, right? This is Binance. This is the website, Binance.com. I will drop in the link on the description box for registration. All right. Now, quickly, textbook definition of Binance. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange that provides a platform for trading various cryptocurrencies. Interesting. Now, let's read further. It says, as of January 2018, Binance was the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world in terms of trading volume. Binance was founded by Changpeng Zhao. Sorry if I didn't pronounce that, Mr. Changpeng, a developer who had previously created high frequency trading software. Now, quickly, screenshot that we're gonna just pick up the textbook definition that says Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange that provides a platform for trading various cryptocurrencies. So basically, what that means is you could trade whatever cryptocurrencies you want to trade, such as the BNB, the Binance coin, the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, the Graph, the 1H, the chain link, all these various cryptocurrencies that you could trade on Binance platform. And Binance just, kind of accumulates everything. The developer just, brings all these cryptocurrencies for you to be easier to trade and for you to trade safely. Now, knowing what Binance is, I'm going to jump right straight into how you could successfully, or what you should be expecting, or what I am expecting, or what I'm doing to get money on Binance. Now, quickly, I'm going to jump through 4 ways. This is just a preview. Further detailed video will be uploaded on the channel. So if you want to get more updates on what I'll be doing and how I'll be trading, or whatever information that I will be delving deeper into, try to subscribe on the subscription, hit that subscription bell, and also that notification bell. All right, give us that like button, and more notification will be dropped right into you when new dev videos are shut out. Now, quickly, 4 ways. All right, I'm gonna name through 4 ways you could easily earn money, or get money on Binance. Now, quickly, I'm gonna go through the first one, which is the Binance futures. All right, quickly, the Binance future just allows you to trade cryptocurrencies, and how do I say it, without you buying them. Okay, what that means is, okay, I want to buy Bitcoin and I don't got much money, or maybe I don't have the money to buy that much Bitcoin. What I'll do is I'll be uploading some money on my USDT features account. Okay, more videos. Remember, more information will be linked out later to go delve into this video. So if you want to know more, please hit that subscription button and that notification bell, and you'll be updated when new videos or content are listed out. Now, quickly, like I was saying, the Binance Futures lets you buy uh, a coin without you actually purchasing that coin or buying a bag of the coin. Okay, it basically lets you buy a portion of the coin, and you get to have money or gain USDT through the long or the short futures. Okay, more videos will be uploaded and how you could go through on that. And also, I'll be creating a Telegram group on real soon. So if you want to go deeper into the futures trading, and also signals, and also tutorials, I'll be dropping all that on the channel and also on the Telegram group. So you could join the group and also get these features real fast. And also trading future trading signals were dropped also. So quickly, this is how the futures looks like. Remember, this is one of the reasons why we're going into Binance. This is how you could earn. You could be buying and you could be selling, and you could still be earning money on the Binance futures. Now, this is how the preview looks like on the PC. On the phone is a little bit more different, but I'll be dropping the phone tutorials also real soon. Now, quickly, this is how it looks like. This is the graph. This is your trading sheet. All right. This is your candlestick, or which I will be teaching more on if you would be interested to learn or study or become your own trader, because I trade the forex and I also trade the crypto space. All right. So quickly, this is your chat box. All right. This is your order sheets. Now this is my positions. Quickly, I open a couple of positions which I am blue on. I close a couple of take some couple of profits, and this is your buy long and sell options. Your buy long and sell. I'll be going through more details on my next videos and much more. So if you'll be interested, do subscribe to get much more update. Now that is the Binance. That is one of the futures you could be exploring on Binance futures. All right. Now we'll be going into the next trading aspect, which is the spot trading. Now, okay, I didn't go through much of these options right here. So I'm gonna do that real quick right now. This is the buy crypto options. Sorry. Yeah, this is the buy crypto options, which allows you to buy crypto. All right, through bank deposit, through credit card. P2P trading, I do not advise this. A couple of my friends have been scammed, and I would want Binance to really check this P2P trading and to check more into it. So quickly, the two options I would be advising is the bank deposit and your credit card purchase of cryptos. All right, use that option, and this market options basically lets you identify the kind of markets you'll be willing to trade. If you want to trade the spot market, if you want to trade the futures market, the zones is a little bit new. All right, this contains your DeFi coins, your other coins that you will want to trade. All right, now yeah, the trade options. This is we got the convert, the classic, the advanced, the margin, the P2P. Now the convert lets you convert coins from one another. Okay, something like the dots to BNB. I'll be explaining that on next coming videos. All right. So basically, it just lets you convert coins, and much more options will be detailed on my next videos. So the classic way of trading is a little bit much easier way to trade. All right, I won't be going through much of that. All right, the advanced, the margin trading, and so much of that. I won't be going through much of that on this video. This is a new video, so I just want you to know that these are futures. Now, of course, I just talked about the futures option not quite long ago. This is the USD futures, the coin futures. Now, both the USD futures and the coin futures, they're a little bit the same. All right, it's just that the USDT futures or the USD future just lets you buy coin using USDT, buy a portion of a coin. Maybe take this for example. I don't know. I got 10 USDT. Okay, I got 20 USDT. Okay, which means I want to buy. Okay, let me brief it up a little bit sharp. Let's say I got $10 of whatever USDT. Now I want to buy Bitcoin. Okay, and I don't have one. I don't have 30K to buy one Bitcoin. What it allows me to do is the buying future can let me buy a portion of Bitcoin, while as soon as it increases, I'll be getting money. All right, which means I am buying Bitcoin without me actually buying Bitcoin as a coin. All right, basically, I'll be explaining more that on the next videos. Well, basically, that is what it means. Now, the coin futures is a little bit more different. All right, it basically allows you to use your coin, your own asset, for trading. Okay, all right. So the vanilla option is more like another trading. All right. Um, some of you who are new to the used to trading, you might be hearing of binary options or more of that. Okay, the vanilla option is one of them. All right. So basically, this derives is your futures and is one of the most important aspect for you to earn money. All right. So quickly jumping on to the next feature is the Binance N. All right. Now this Binance N, I'm going to be talking about it on the last portion of the video. So it's a very cool feature which I will be explaining much on. So stick through the video and you'll be getting through that. Now Binance Pool is also something very interesting. I'll be talking about that also. The Binance Visit Card, a new option. Or I believe Binance wants to make everybody, it's a feature that will let you get the Binance card just as the Crypto.com got theirs. You get a card and you could use it to withdraw your cryptos and some more of that. Now the crypto loans is same thing. You get to borrow loans, get to borrow coins and lend out loans and some of that. Now liquid swap and it basically lets you swap coins or something. I don't use it much, so I must skip through that. Now the overview is just basically lets you view whatever assets you got on your Binance account. Now yeah, so basically I hit my balance, but right here you can see this. I have BNB, I've got Orchid, I've got Bitcoin, I've got Tethos, I've got Power Ledger, I've got these basically are coins that I own my my Binance account. These are coins that I bought. Okay, now there are some couple of features on the Binance features which I will be talking about later on. Well, this is my fiat balance and this is my whole balance of my Binance account. Now it's kind of telling me or showing you that I've got some couple of assets that I'm holding, which is the fiat balance, which is my local currency. I've got Nigerian Naira and I've got Australian dollars. And I've got QKC as a crypto balance. I've got Dogecoin. I've got the BOUT. I've got the SC coin, the CR coin. I've got BNB, and of course, I've got Bitcoins. All right. These are kind of assets that are on my Binance account, and I've got a couple of more that I am holding up. All right. Now, this is the wallet features. We've got the overview, the fiat, the margin, the futures, the P2P, which I just explained, and some others. This is also the orders options, which shows you your spot orders, your margin, your futures orders, and P2P, and lots more. So I won't be going through much of this, but you could explore this later on your own features and probably check more on this. But what I'm more interested on is the how to make money aspect. All right. Now I just talked about the features aspect, right? Where I say you could basically buy coins without you purchasing the coin itself. All right. Now I'll be talking about the next feature, which includes the spot options, which lets you basically, like what I showed you earlier, you could buy the coin and go through it. All right. You will need to buy the coin and you basically let it appreciate just as it goes up, you get more money with that. And there are, of course, most of you I won't know, crypto is a little bit volatile, and which means that the coin keeps going up, you can keep making money every day while you're holding the coin. And you all know how Bitcoin started. It was about, a couple of Ks back then, and boom, boom, boom. Bitcoin is going over 31K and 40K, and projectile is staying 140K. So the spot features lets you trade coin by buying the coin itself. You buy the coin, you hold it, such as I'm doing right now. There's a couple of coins that I'm holding, and as it goes up, I'm making money. All right, now that is that. Now another option is the Binance options. All right, just as we got the Binance futures, we got the Binance spot trade. Now we got the Binance options. Now most of you are who are pretty old to the trading, you all know what binary options, or you must have heard of what binary options means. Okay, it basically means you specifying, you're basically saying this price of Bitcoin is going to go up in 5 minutes. It's going to keep going up, 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 and you're predicting it through, that, and you put in some certain amounts to expect some certain gain as long as the price keeps yielding to your calls. Now, I don't trade much about it, but just a few times I go hook up on it and not much, and basically you could explore the options. I don't use it much, mind you, but it is same thing. If you could analyze your graph chart, you could basically know what the price is saying through your chart analysis, which I will be dropping most chart analysis on the group channel. Okay, so if you want to hook to it, all right, the group link will be left on the description box. So that is the option. Now, finally, what is most interesting about Binance and what I will be saying is this, the Binance N. Now, quickly, I'm gonna round this up real quickly. Now, the Binance N simply lets you earn money while holding your coins, while your coins keeps appreciating. three words, three keywords. Meaning you buy a coin, all right? Now your coin keeps going up, all right? Now you earning more money or you getting more commissions from the savings or the Binance and options. You get that? Three ways of getting money. Now, quickly, these are a list of coins that are available. Basically, all coins are available. You just need to, buy the coins and, put it on your vault, and you keep getting paid for your coins that you're holding. All right, so three options. These are a couple of coins that are listed here. We've got the USD Theta, the BUSD, which I'm holding right now. These are a couple of coins that you could also use. So basically, I just listed four ways that you could earn money on Bitcoin, on Binance platform, and these are really cool features that I've been using for a while now. Now, a couple of more videos will be uploaded for you to get more features or insight on it, but these are plain cool ways, man. All right, now on the group chat, there's going to be more updates on this video and more updates on Binance. So if you want to get more updates, you could basically join the group chat link below, or you could also ask questions on the comment section, and I'll be willing to answer them. Now, update also will be posted on this channel, so do it to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and you will be getting more updated. Now, quickly, I'm gonna say this: when you want to register on Binance, the link will be left on the description box. Do register, and when you register, you gotta verify your account. So quickly, this is the account menu on the phone. This will be a little bit more different, but I'm gonna walk through you, and I'm also gonna drop the guide on Binance, and you could also go through that too. Now, this is the account. Once you register, you got to verify your account, and once you get your account verified, it's going to be looking like this. Now right here, it's stating that my account identity is verified. Now every other thing, every other limit is being increased. All right, now this simply means that I'm good to go on every other thing. Now I'm also expecting some distribution on gas. All right, I'm saving gas, and then I'm expecting some rewards. So quickly, if you want to get started quickly, the registration box is down below. Hit the registration box and hit the channel button and subscribe and get notified whenever I drop a new content, because I'm going to be explaining more detailed content and how to earn on this channel and on my YouTube, on my Telegram channel. I'm going to be dropping trade ideas, trade signals, and on crypto and coins to buy and what to expect and what not to. And I'm also going to be doing Zoom calls to brush anyone up who would be willing to start trading. So that is it up, guys, for Binance. And whoa, this is, oh gosh, I hit TP. All right, now they ain't concerned about, this is TP Smart. All right, now this is SRM coin, and I'm holding this coin right here. Let's see, I'm gonna go through that report. SRM USDM futures. Yeah, I'm holding this coin, and I just hit more TP, which means the coin is going to boost up. And currently, I just took a lot of profit, so I'm just letting everything run loose right now. This is a lot of Bitcoin that I'm holding. This is where the hell is it? Yeah, SRM, and I'm in profit. All right. So nothing new, nothing changed. So thank you all for tuning in, and this is Binance. And if you want to get started, please hit that subscription button, and more content will be dropped on the channel. So have a nice day. All right.